If you've been around this channel for a while, you'll probably recognize this truck. This 2001 Tacoma has been a huge part of this channel, and quite honestly, it's the main reason this channel exists. I've done so many mods, taken it on road trips, and after long days and late nights in the garage, this truck has been at the center of just about everything I've done on this channel. Over the last 3 years, this truck has taught me so much, and I've poured literally hundreds of hours into building it into exactly what I wanted. And like most project vehicles, it was never really finished. There was always another idea, another upgrade, another adventure awaiting. I had plans for where this truck was going next. But sometimes, plans change. A few weeks ago, I was involved in an accident, and somehow, despite the damage, this thing still drove me over 100 kilometers home. Over this series, we're going to document the entire process, the insurance battle, the teardown, the damage we can't see yet, and hopefully, the rebuild. I honestly don't know how exactly this is all going to turn out, but we're going to find out. Well, this was not the return to YouTube I was hoping for, but here we are. It was my fault. I rear-ended somebody. Everybody was going 100k an hour on the freeway. Suddenly, everybody was stopped, except for me, who was almost stopped. I hit a guy in his Jeep. He had a spare tire on the back, and basically I smoked the spare tire with my grill and my bumper, and his Jeep was basically fine. So at least there's that. Now, I guess the good news for me is this thing still runs and drives totally fine. There's no frame issues. It's all just cosmetic on the front. It's the hood, it's the fender, it's the lights, the grille, the bumper. The bumper I'm not concerned about. I was planning on building a custom bumper for this anyways. I guess my biggest concern is insurance gonna total it, or are they gonna say it's repairable? The best case scenario for me would be they don't total it and I can retain the vehicle myself and fix it myself. That would be the dream. They pay me for the damages and I fix it myself. I'll give you guys a closer look at what we have going on. So, hood is in rough shape. This front fender has a little bit of a wrinkle. It's bent in a little bit. Bumper obviously destroyed, grille destroyed. Radiator was fine. The core support is not fine. I'll pop the hood. We can have a look at what's going on underneath. As you guys can see, radiator is totally fine. I did have to break off my fan shroud because it was rubbing against my power steering belt. This arm for the airbox did break off, but that's fine. I got airboxes kicking around. Core support is in need of replacement. But to be quite honest, all of these are things that I can do myself and I'm not terribly concerned about. Even if insurance does total it, I'll be buying it back for sure and getting this thing back on the road. Would make things a little more difficult for me, but there's no question for me that this thing has not seen its last day on the road. Now, one thing that I have considered is, although it's not my favorite idea, is I've got this old 97 4Runner over here that's just sitting. I've considered doing a front clip swap with this thing. I've always been a 4Runner guy more than a Tacoma guy. I had 3 4Runners before I got my first Tacoma, and I always loved these front ends. However, when I see people do that front clip swap, I'm not really a fan of it. Even though I like these front ends better, I don't know what it is, but it just doesn't jive with me. However, if this is something you guys really want to see, you want to see me switch all this stuff over, put on the Tacoma, I'd think about it for sure. Now, if I was to go back to all the Tacoma parts, nice thing is, most of this stuff is pretty easy to find. Fenders are pretty cheap. I can get those on eBay or Amazon or whatever. Core support, same thing, not too hard to get. Bumper, I'll build one myself. Grill, can find that on Amazon, eBay, Rock Auto. The hood is the only thing that is a little bit difficult. I'd also have to paint all this stuff, which painting is something I definitely want to get into, but there's no question there's a lot of work that goes into it. But I really do think this thing is savable. I just hope insurance agrees. Today, I got to get the 4Runner back on the road because I'm no longer driving this thing. So, 4Runner's battery is shot, so I got to take the battery out of this guy, put in the 4Runner. 4Runner's been stored away in the shed. Well, I sure miss driving this thing. I just wish it were under better circumstances. Osmo, sit. Well, the plan for this summer was to be working on this thing, building front bumper, building the swing out for the rear. Looks like my spare time is going to be spent working on the Tacoma this summer, so that's a little bit unfortunate, but it is what it is. If any of you guys have been through something similar with insurance, let me know what you guys did. But if I had it my way, I'd hope to fix it all myself. Hopefully insurance pays me out for the damage and I can get this thing fixed up. Anyways guys, thanks for watching. Let me know what you guys think I should do with the build. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I hope to see you guys next time.